Flexson SONOS Play 3 wall mount allows you to put your music wherever you want. The bracket is simple to fit. Simply grab a screwdriver and a spirit level or a spirit level app on your smartphone. Each Flexson bracket has superior strength for a rigid, safe fixing. A single bolt and 2 supports fix the speaker plate. Mark out and then securely fix the top mounting screw into your wall using appropriate fixings, followed by the 2 main support screws. Now snap the wall mount covers into place. You're now ready to hook on your Play 3 speaker, either horizontally or vertically, and secure it to the wall mount. You can then fix your Sonos speaker on the wall bracket, leaving your hands free to set the listening angle to suit your room. Flexson brackets are designed to suit the features of each Sonos product. For example, this Flexson SONOS Play 3 bracket can be positioned horizontally or vertically, just like the speaker itself, with additional tilt and swivel flexibility. Once you've chosen the perfect position, secure the Play 3 in place, and now you're ready to play. Flexson, the bespoke British way to make more of your Sonos system.